to start and scale an online business without wasting years making mistakes? The Straight Talk Commerce Playbook is your step-by-step guide to launching, growing, and profiting from e-commerce, subscriptions, and digital products.
You can either pay thousands of dollars to listen to unproven experts, go it alone, or get your hands on the most powerful tools money can buy at a fraction of what others are paying. Learn the exact strategies top brands use to build million-dollar businesses, plus insider secrets on marketing, automation, and customer retention. For a limited time, pre-order now for just $49 and get a bonus Q&A session with Wayne Altman when the book drops in May. Most product launches fail because people don't follow a proven strategy. Don't be one of them. In Launch Like a Pro, I'll walk you through a 4-week action plan to pre-sell your product, validate demand, and generate cash flow before you even launch. What you'll get: a step-by-step pre-sale blueprint, marketing scripts and ad templates, exclusive access to my private launch community. Pre-order today and get a private coaching call, $197 value, free. Monetizing content like a 1 million subscriber podcast masterclass, $199 pre-sale price. You don't need millions of views to turn your content into cash. In this masterclass, I'll break down the exact strategies I use to monetize Straight Talk Commerce, from sponsorship deals and affiliate marketing to digital products and subscriptions. What you'll learn: how to turn your podcast, YouTube, or blog into a revenue machine, the best monetization strategies for small and growing audiences, how to land high-paying brand deals, even if you're just starting. Pre-order now and get personalized feedback on your content strategy. AI For Entrepreneurs ToolKit, $97. Pre-sale price: AI isn't the future, it's the present. If you're not using it to scale your business, you're already behind. The AI For Entrepreneurs ToolKit gives you instant access to AI-powered business automation hacks, ChatGPT prompts to write sales copy, emails, and ads, a step-by-step AI integration guide for e-commerce and digital products. Pre-order today and get exclusive access to a live AI strategy session with me.